Tracing 101, let's start with the circles. Just click any 3 points on the circle and we get great circles there for our CNC cut file. Look at that, they look great. Now, what are we gonna do next? I have a curve here. Let's switch to curve, click start, and digitize that curve as a series of points. Now here I have another curve, but I have a turn point right there. So I click turn point, look at that curve. It looks just beautiful there. Do this top curve, just digitize points along it. And the software is going to turn a spline curve fit into those points, through those points. I get another turn point here, click turn point. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. Got one more curve here, digitize the points along it. Now here I have a line, I switch to lines. I then have an arc here, switch to an arc. Look at that beautiful arc. I got a couple lines, I got a line there, and a line there. I now have another arc. And then, why didn't it do anything? And then I have a line. There it is. It looks great. Save the file.